All right, take 2 on this problem. I talked too long last time and it cut it into 2 files, so let's hope I'm faster. Paula mixes 2 cups of sunflower seeds and 3 cups of raisins to make a snack for a hike. She figured that the mixture would provide her with 2,900 calories of food energy. Find the number of calories per cup of raisins if it's 400 calories less than the number of calories per cup of sunflower seeds. Okay, we're dealing with sunflower seeds. We're dealing with raisins. We probably want to know, well, they definitely want us to know calories per cup for raisins. So let's do calories per cup for each. We have different numbers of cups, 2 cups, 3 cups. Let's do number of cups. Okay, got a column for that. And they're talking about the mixture providing with so many calories. You're going to have to account for your total number of calories for each type, sunflower and raisins. As you saw in problems 1, 2, and 4, your first 3 assigned homework problems, they did this column times this column equals this column. And we did unit analysis to see if that would really work. Let's do unit analysis here and we'll see if this works here. This would be calories per cup. If I were to multiply that by the number of cups, again, if I want a denominator, I can put 1. Your cups would cancel, you don't need to see your 1, and you'd be left with calories, which is a perfectly fine unit for total calories. So unit analysis says that this column times this column should equal that column. Should work. Now let's start filling in our chart. Paula mixes 2 cups of sunflower seeds. So sunflower, number of cups, 2. Good. And 3 cups of raisins to make a snack for a hike. So cups of raisins, 3. Good. She figured that the mixture would provide her with 2,900 calories of food energy. Mixture would be total calories, this box plus this box. But we don't know them yet. We'll come back to that. Find the number of calories per cup of raisins. All right, that's your question, or what you're being asked to find. Find the number of calories per cup of raisins. Calories per cup, raisins, that means this is the box that will have your final answer in it. Okay, let's keep going. Find the number of calories per cup of raisins if it is 400 calories less than the number of calories per cup of sunflower seeds. They didn't tell us how much a cup of sunflower seeds has. So we'll just assume it's S calories for a cup of sunflower seeds. Well, find the number of calories per cup of raisins if it, meaning the raisins, is 400 calories less. So it would be S minus 400. 400 calories less than a cup of sunflower seeds. Okay, so we've used that information. 2 times S, or S times 2, would be 2S. Here, it's a little more important. You got to remember it's 3 times all of that, meaning you're going to have to use parentheses. 3 times S is 3S. Keep your minus sign. 3 times 400 is 1,200. So you've got 2S as your number of calories from sunflower seeds total, and 3S minus 1,200 as your total calories from just the raisins. She figured that the mixture would provide her with 2,900 calories of food energy. That means from the sunflowers and the raisins together. So do this box plus this box. Now it's adding all of this box. But if you're adding, your parentheses really aren't important. If you were subtracting, it'd be a different story. So the first box plus the second box equals your total number of calories for the mixture of 2,900. Again, because we're adding, I really don't have to see the parentheses. 2S plus 3S is 5S. minus 1200 equals 2900. To undo subtraction, we use addition. If you do it to one side, you've got to do it to the other side. Remember, seesaw principle. So now you have 5s equals, this is almost 3 grand. If I just added 3 grand, it'd be 4,200. But I didn't. It's 100 less. So it's not 4,200, it's 4,100. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Okay, I cheated. I used the calculator earlier. When you divide by 5, you get 820. So S is 820, but they didn't ask me for S. They asked me for this square. Find the number of calories per cup of raisins, not per cup of sunflower seeds. So it's S minus 400. If I take 400 away from S, then for my raisins, I would have 420 calories. And that is your final answer. And if you look in the back of the book, you can confirm that that is the answer for this problem.